Berberine, a bright yellow alkaloid extracted from a variety of medicinal plants such as golden seal and barberry root, has gained considerable scientific interest in recent years for its powerful metabolic and cellular benefits. What distinguishes berberine is its unique ability to act as a natural mimetic of pharmaceutical agents like metformin, which is widely used for managing type 2 diabetes and is currently being studied for its anti-aging potential. Berberine, however, accomplishes similar effects through a plant-derived mechanism that directly influences core regulators of cellular energy and nutrient sensing, most notably through the activation of AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, and suppression of the mTOR signaling pathway. These are the same critical metabolic switches involved in triggering autophagy, the body's innate process for cellular renewal, cleanup, and protection against age-related decline. AMPK serves as a cellular fuel gauge, becoming activated when energy levels drop, such as during fasting, exercise, or exposure to specific natural compounds like berberine. Once activated, AMPK initiates a metabolic shift that favors energy conservation, increased fat oxidation, and, crucially, the initiation of autophagy. Berberine strongly stimulates AMPK activity by mildly inhibiting mitochondrial respiratory function, which results in a controlled reduction in cellular ADP and a corresponding increase in AMP. This metabolic stress is beneficial because it signals the cell to enter a state of repair and restoration rather than growth and proliferation. At the same time, AMPK activation leads to the downregulation of the mTOR pathway, which is typically active in the presence of abundant nutrients and growth signals, but must be inhibited to allow autophagy to proceed. By simultaneously activating AMPK and inhibiting mTOR, berberine creates a robust internal signal for the cell to begin breaking down damaged proteins, clearing dysfunctional mitochondria, and recycling components to maintain energy efficiency and resilience. This is especially important in tissues with high metabolic demand, such as the liver, pancreas, and brain, where the buildup of cellular waste can contribute to insulin resistance, oxidative stress, and neurodegenerative processes. Studies have shown that berberine improves insulin sensitivity, lowers blood glucose levels, and supports lipid metabolism, with many of these effects being directly tied to enhanced autophagic activity and improved mitochondrial health. One of the most encouraging aspects of berberine is how it supports metabolic flexibility. In the context of insulin resistance or prediabetes, berberine helps cells better utilize glucose and fatty acids, reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome and its associated complications. In animal models, berberine has also been shown to reduce liver fat, prevent atherosclerosis, and improve cognitive function, all outcomes associated with improved autophagic regulation. At the cellular level, berberine appears to enhance the expression of genes involved in autophagosome formation and lysosomal function, suggesting that it not only initiates autophagy, but also promotes its successful completion. This enhancement of autophagic flux is essential for long-term health because it ensures that the cell does not merely begin the recycling process, but follows through with complete detoxification and renewal. Importantly, berberine's benefits are not restricted to those with overt metabolic dysfunction. Even in healthy individuals, it has been shown to improve lipid profiles, lower fasting insulin, and support cardiovascular health, pointing to its potential as a preventive agent that maintains cellular cleanliness and efficiency. This is especially relevant in the aging process, where the natural decline in autophagy contributes to inflammation, mitochondrial damage, and the accumulation of senescent cells. By restoring autophagy through its dual action on AMPK and mTOR, berberine helps counteract these effects, making it a compelling candidate for inclusion in longevity-focused nutritional strategies. Berberine source plants such as golden seal and barberry root have a long history of use in traditional herbal medicine for treating infections, inflammation, and digestive issues. Today, standardized berberine supplements derived from these plants offer a consistent and convenient way to access its full therapeutic potential. When taken at appropriate dosages, typically in the range of 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times daily, berberine is well tolerated and effective, though it is always advisable to consult a healthcare provider when using it alongside medications due to its strong pharmacological activity. The synergy between berberine and other lifestyle interventions is also worth noting. For instance, combining berberine with intermittent fasting or a low-carbohydrate diet may produce additive effects on autophagy and metabolic control. Likewise, when used alongside polyphenol-rich foods such as green tea, pomegranate, or resveratrol-containing berries, berberine may help amplify the gene expression profiles that promote detoxification, mitochondrial biogenesis, and stress resistance. These synergies illustrate how berberine can serve as a central piece of a broader, integrative approach to cellular health, bridging ancient herbal wisdom with cutting-edge scientific understanding. In summary, berberine is a natural powerhouse for regulating metabolic pathways and inducing autophagy through its precise activation of AMPK and inhibition of mTOR. This dual action mirrors the beneficial effects of fasting and exercise at the cellular level, encouraging the body to enter a state of repair and renewal. Found in traditional plants like golden seal and barberry root and now available in purified supplemental form, berberine offers a science-backed, food-compatible strategy for enhancing autophagic activity, supporting metabolic resilience, and potentially extending health span. Its capacity to clean out cellular waste, restore mitochondrial function, and adaptively regulate energy use makes it one of the most promising natural tools in the pursuit of sustained vitality and long-term wellness.